What one of my last questions would be: what advice can you give to our Startup Week and FinTech participants?
Believe in the idea. I think just looking into the ideas that we have on the drawing table right now in this phase, and let's see how it evolves during the weekend. I think it's really important to take a deep dive into what's the potential of their idea. If they believe in it, they can really go far. I think the seven ideas we have right now, all of them I can see a really good potential. Some bigger than others, of course. But understand what kind of challenges will they face when they take this to the more mature level. You know, what kind of legal challenges, compliance challenges, technical API challenges will they need to be aware of in order to hopefully connect with a bank like Nordea.